Hey everyone, in this video, we're gonna learn how to create this thermal heat map effect. So let's get started. So after importing your video into After Effects, the first step is to go to the effects panel and search for Colorama. Double click on Colorama to apply it to your video, and in the left panel, I'm gonna open the output cycle. We're gonna match the output cycle similar to the reference here, yellow in the highlights, purple in the midtones, and black or dark blue in the shadows. For now, we can work on the subject only and focus on the background later. So we're gonna get rid of the extra colors green and light blue and just adjusting the colors and their location on the color wheel to match it to the reference with brighter color like yellow in the highlights and darker colors in the shadows. After completing the settings, the subject has a nice heat map effect similar to the reference, but for the background, we can create a different layer by using Roto brush tool and adjust it to a darker color. So just press Ctrl D to duplicate the layer, and I'm gonna rename the bottom layer to dark background and the upper layer we can rename it to thermal heat effect. So in the thermal heat effect layer, turn off Colorama and hide that layer for now so we can focus on just the background layer. To create the dark background, just go to the Colorama setting, and here I'm gonna use the ramp blue preset, which will give the background a dark vibe. Further, we can update the color to a darker purple and update the location on the color wheel as well to match the background closely to the reference. This completes our setup for the background. Now we can unhide the thermal effect layer and start working on the cutout for the subject by using the Roto brush tool. Before getting started with the Roto brush, we have to make sure to change the resolution to full and double click on the thermal layer to open it in a new window. Now select the Roto brush from the top panel, and we're gonna use it to create a quick selection of our subject here. Just make sure to select all the edges, and when you're happy with the selection, just press play and Roto brush will automatically create the mask on the next frames as well. Press Alt click to remove any extra selections as shown in the video. When the masking process is done, we can close the layer to go back to our main composition, and as we can see, a nice mask has been created around our subject. For the next step, we're gonna move Roto brush above Colorama in the effects panel, and here we can play around with the masking settings to update the mask, add some feathering to it as well, and when you're happy with the selection, just turn on Colorama in the effects panel as well. As we can see, the thermal heat effect is applied only to our subject with a darker background in a separate layer. Here's how the final video looks, and this completes our tutorial on how to create a thermal heat map effect in After Effects. So if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.